Hello everyone. Today I'm cooking a wild turtle on a boat caught fresh, cleaned, and marinated with ginger, cola, and alcohol. Quick blanched, then fried with pork, chicken, and spices. Slow cooked till rich and flavorful. Served hot with rice. Subscribe for more.